Clap your hands and take a breath. Feel the joy in every step. Stretch up tall and smile so wide. Let's begin our yoga ride. Welcome to the garden bright, filled with laughter, love and light. Stretch like flowers as they grow. Feel your happy body glow. Wiggle fingers, tap your toes. Listen as the music flows. Move with kindness, soft and free. Growing stronger joyfully. Stretch and sparkle, sing and sway. Yoga makes a happy day. Twirl your shoulders, breathe in peace. Feel your worries softly cease. Move with magic, shine so bright. Everything will feel just right. Strong and gentle, calm and free. Yoga brings out the best in me. Float like petals in the air. Take a moment just to care. Reach up high and bend down low. Feel your inner sunshine grow. Swing your arms from side to side. Let your happy heart be your guide. Every breath's a little song, helping you move right along. Every stretch is like a dance. Every smile's a joyful chance. Take your time and gently play. Celebrate this lovely day. Stretch and sparkle, smile once more. Open up your joyful door. Every movement, every cheer brings a little magic here. One deep breath and one big smile. You've been shining all the while. Keep your happy light so bright and let your spirit take its flight. Breathe in joy. Stretch with love. Smile with your whole heart. See you on our next yoga adventure.